Welcome to Bangalore. Join me for an inside tour of the iconic Vidhana Soudha. Driving past these buildings feels like you've entered a hallway of palaces. First, you see Vidhana Soudha. It's built of white granite and looks like a royal home. Then, right next to it, the original Vidhana Soudha appears with its famous golden dome and massive pillars. Seeing these two giants side by side is the best part of driving through Bangalore. Most people miss this. This is Vidhana Soudha, the newer twin. It was built in 2005 to perfectly match the original palace. Now for the best part. Walking up to the Vidhana Soudha really shows you how massive it actually is. It's even better up close. You can really feel the history here. Let's head inside. Look up at the ceilings. The designs up there aren't just for show. Every single one has a special meaning behind it. It's definitely worth going with a guide. They point out so many cool details you'd normally just walk past. Fun fact, India's first PM, Jawaharlal Nehru, laid the foundation stone for this masterpiece back in 1951. Stepping inside is a whole different experience. The architecture in here is just incredible. Huge pillars, massive halls, and so much detail everywhere you look. It really feels like you're walking through a modern-day palace. You can see the bright red High Court right across the way, and even the modern towers of UB City in the distance. This is what it looks like looking back at Vidhana Soudha from the inside. And check out the Gandhi statue right in the middle. It looks amazing from up here. You really get a sense of how everything was designed to fit together. We are at the Speaker's Gallery. You get a great view from here, but since cameras aren't allowed inside the hall, I can't show you the full view. You've got to see this one in person. I couldn't leave without sharing some of my favorite shots from the outside. Seeing the whole building from across the road really puts its size into perspective. It's definitely one of the most beautiful spots in all of Bangalore. The gardens here are so pretty. The green grass really makes the building stand out. It's actually really quiet and peaceful inside the gates. If you want to come inside, you'll need to book a guided tour through the KSTDC website. Tours usually happen on Sundays and certain Saturdays, and the ticket is only 50 rupees. You can pick either a Kannada or English guide when you book. Just make sure to bring your original Aadhaar card. They won't let you in with just a photo of it on your phone. Make sure to check the ticket availability before you plan your day and book for your whole group at once. The slots can fill up fast, so it's best to grab them early. If you're in Bangalore, you definitely have to experience this for yourself. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video.